In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect app in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely remove an integration you no longer need. Start by opening Grok in your browser and signing into your account. You can begin from your home or tasks page, either works. What matters is the left-hand sidebar, which is your main navigation hub. If your window is narrow and the sidebar looks condensed, expand it so the labels are easy to see. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or account, especially if you use Grok in more than one place, since connected apps are managed per account context. Now head to the bottom of that left sidebar and click your profile icon. It's usually a small round avatar in the lower left corner. That click opens a short menu with account-related options. From this menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the area where you manage your account preferences and security controls. Give the page a second to load fully so all sections appear. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Connected Apps. This is where Grok lists the third-party apps and services you've authorized to access your account. It's helpful to think of this page as the control center for integrations. It shows which apps are currently linked and often indicates when they were last used. When you see Connected Apps, click it to open the full list. On the Connected Apps page, locate the specific app you want to remove. Each listed app will typically have an option to disconnect or remove access. Click Disconnect next to that app. Grok may present a confirmation prompt to make sure this is what you want. Review the message so you understand you're revoking the app's access to your Grok data and any tokens associated with it. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Disconnect again. After confirming, the app should either disappear from the list or show as disconnected. That means its access has been revoked and any automations or features that depended on that connection will stop working in Grok. This does not usually delete data inside the third-party app itself. It simply stops the connection from Grok's side. If you ever need the integration again, you can come back to Connected Apps and reauthorize it when prompted. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh the page to update the list. That's it. Quick, clean, and secure. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to disconnect an app in Grok with confidence.